Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create a very simple and basic chair in Blender. Very simple chair. I am not going to fast forward this video. I am going to play it in normal speed and also explain the steps because this is a very easy and simple video. First I am going to create one cube. Go here, add mesh and create one cube like this, and then I am going to scale it like this. Scale it little bit like this, and then I am going to press Shift D, duplicate this and then scale it like this and scale it like this, and then just move it here like this. Go in object mode, move it little bit like this. Go in vertex mode and click and drag the vertex here like this. If you want, you can also click like this here. So we have something like this. Go in object mode. If you want, you can scale it little bit and then scale in this axis little bit. So we have something like this. So we have something like this. Press Ctrl Shift D and press Y and move it a little bit here like this. Click here, Shift click here, press Shift D and press X and move it a little bit like this. Select this, press Shift D and rotate it in 90 degree like this. Here add 90 degree. Scale it a little bit like this and move it a little bit like this. Press again Shift D, press Y and move it around here. So we have something like this here. And now for this part, click this and press Ctrl J to combine this object. Go in edit mode, press vertex and click and drag vertex around here like this. So we have something like this. Press this cube and Shift D to duplicate and rotate it 90 degree like this. And move it little bit here like this. And scale it little bit like this again. If you want, you can scale it little bit like this again. Now what you do, go in edit mode, press this edge, click on this edge, press Ctrl R and then increase the subdivisions. Now go in X view, go in this view, click and drag all these vertex and move it little bit like this. Then click and drag all these vertex, move it little bit like this. Click on all these vertex, move it little bit like this. So we have something like this chair. So click on all this object, press Ctrl J and press this unwrapping, press faces, select all the faces, select all the faces and press U and smart UV project and unwrap. So we have something like this. So our unwrapping also done. Now go here and add the texture of wood. Go to layout. Go on vertex. Select all these vertex and move a little bit like this. So this is an easy chair model in Blender. This is a very easy and simple basic chair model in Blender. Wooden chair. Very simple and basic chair for beginners. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for uh, more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.